How are you, friends? This little pesky squirrel got my tomato. I came in the morning to cut it, and he had done bad boy. He knows he did something bad. You see him going? Yeah, he got the tomato. Well, this one inside, I'm cutting it, and never mind him. I gotta water a little bit. Everything is doing good. Oh wow, we gotta cut this. We gotta cut that. A lot of zucchinis. Peppers are coming up. I cut the eggplant yesterday. I should have cut the tomato too. Oh well. Did you see the little guy go? He knows he did something bad. Starting little fungal disease. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna take these off. Enough with the because I see some spots everywhere. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I let some sun come inside. Enough with the eggplants. Tomatoes are doing very good. I'm just gonna water a little bit, and yeah, I think I'm gonna take them out. For the life of me, I don't know what these white things are. I don't know if you guys can see them. They're all over. Not on every leaf, but I can't say it's mildew because let's check out something. This is mildew. Or it can be on all of these. Yeah, I see more over here. I'm just gonna cut them off so it won't affect my tomatoes. Enough, I have plenty. Alright, so I'm gonna take them out. Cut the fruits first. And that's it. Maybe I'll leave the little one here. I have you guys inspecting with me, eh? Alright, so that's what we're gonna do. The big one, I'm afraid, because it's everywhere. But it's funny how it is. Anyways, I'm gonna post the yesterday and today's same time. I'm gonna go water and we'll take it from there. And what a little troublemaker that guy is. Alright, have a nice one and catch you guys later.